Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of A-Doo-Da-Dad. Today, we are at Lake Mead, just outside Las Vegas, Nevada. We got the new SuperJet. We are testing RIVA's ride plate and RIVA's intake grate against the stock ones. Let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to test, RIVA ride plate, RIVA intake grate, because that's what's already on. We'll go out there and get this going. Hey, if you missed this jet trim mat kit install, link the video right here. All right, here we go. So I can break it loose with the RIVA ride plate. She seems to lay over pretty good in the right and left. Workout. After some riding with the RIVA ride plate, RIVA intake grate, big brakes, big brakes. Like the brakes on it. Hook's really good, although I was still able to break it loose. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to with all that grip in that ride plate, but it still does. It still wants a power slide, like to get into a tail stand, so that's great. Catch my wind back. Give her one more good ride. and we'll go put the stock stuff back on and compare it to new.
Woo! Yep, still slide.
All right. We've had the RIVA stuff on it since we bought it. Kind of all I really know, besides the original break-in. So now I'm taking all the RIVA stuff off, put the stock stuff back on. We're gonna go back out there and see how playful she feels. All right, guys, we got the RIVAs off. Let's put these stock ones back on and just see how playful she really is. I was able to kind of get the RIVA stuff to power slide, but it power slides so quick and hooks and wants to go. I'm kind of hoping I can know that I can put this thing on when I want to go out there and just, you know, be playful and jump around and spin around and kind of make it feel like 550s of yore. All right, let's put it on. All right, we're all back to stock. Ready to go try it. Kind of excited to maybe slide around a little more and not get gripped and high-sided so hard. Get back to some of that more freestyle stuff like the tail stance. Pretty exciting. Let's go try it. Okay, easier to get looser, but man, I think I like it better just riding it straight. I was not trying to slide that one out. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Woo. Really far. Woo. Really far lean on that turn. Oh my gosh. I sat on my nuts on the water. God dang, that hurt bad. Oh. Man, I haven't been laid over like that far in a long time. Holy shoot. Well, start the swim. Okay, we made it on the swim. You know, I hate to lose stuff like those goggles. They're kind of pricey, but more or less. The litter, all that plastic and stuff, I just lost in the lake. Not cool. Okay. So, goggles are gone. But I've got to come up with a way to get these goggles to mount on the back of this helmet so that they don't fall off like that. Like, I've had a bunch of near misses before and got them. I should have done this before. Dumb of me not to do it. Gosh. But be assured, you guys see a little quick stop coming of goggle mounts on the helmets. We quit losing the dang things in the litter. The litter kills me. All right, back to the ride. Alright guys, well, verdict is this is a little loose, not going high side as much, kicking out some. I kind of almost think the RIVA ride plate keeps it going straight when you decelerate. So if you're on it and you let off and you're getting ready to go to a turn, this back end will get a little wobbly and kind of like feel like it's overcoming you, like towing a big trailer downhill. That ride plate keeps it nice and straight. I like it for that. This does cavitate when it's leaned over real deep in a turn. I am feeling the stock intake grate sucking air and losing itself. So maybe the combination could be something like the RIVA intake grate with the stock ride plate or something like that. I also want to look at what Watercross of Texas has to offer, because I think their scoop grate scoops a little more, and that might help me stay loaded, and it might keep the slowdown better coming into the turns, kind of like when you have a parachute out there. So we'll look at Watercross of Texas on an intake grate. That's another episode. Hope you guys like this content. Still figuring this SuperJet out, getting myself ready to ride it. I need to get a lot more in shape to ride this thing how I want. Boy, this thing wears me out, but it's awesome. It's so much fun. I highly recommend stand-up jet skis to all of you out there. If you're watching us because you like skateboarding or snowboarding, maybe you have another hobby in your future too. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Help us get out there. We're trying to grow this thing. And I guess until next time, guys. See you later.
Let me see.
Good, Mom? Huh?
No. No.
What'd you do?
You gotta redo.
Why?
Because I just pushed it to turn it off and now the timer's going.
Oh. Okay.
Take two.